Whether you're into sport shooting or maintaining your firearm for safety and performance, proper cleaning matters. This is the PNI Hunting H11 Cleaning Kit, designed for firearms with .54 caliber, a practical and easy-to-use set. In the kit we find 3 brushes specially designed for .54 caliber, a tornado-type brush for deep cleaning, a wool brush for dirt removal, and a synthetic bristle brush for fine finishing. The kit also includes 3 sturdy brass rods, 270 mm long, providing stability during cleaning. A well-maintained firearm delivers better performance, increased durability, and, most importantly, enhanced safety. A simple but essential kit for proper maintenance of .54 caliber firearms. Regular cleaning helps maintain performance and extend service life. Choose the PNI Hunting H11 Cleaning Kit for efficient and responsible firearm care. Check the link in the comments.